The Model R is a Walker mower like no other. Designed specifically for residential customers, it delivers essential attributes like ease of use, a high-quality cut, operator comfort, reliability, and easy maintenance, while still being the most affordable Walker mower ever. The Model R features a 21-horsepower Kohler engine with Smart Choke technology for easy starts in hot and cold weather and Hydro Gear Easy T transmissions. Other features include an electric blade clutch, tilt-up mowing deck, and tilt-open seat for easy maintenance, and a custom-molded, low-profile, 3-gallon fuel tank with integrated fuel level gauge. Like all Walker mowers, the Model R features the Walker Precision Steering System with forward speed control and the unique Walker front mount deck with flexible deck suspension, counterweight springs, and standard tilt-up function. The vertical shaft Kohler engine provides power through a revolutionary belt system featuring dampened idlers and tensioners, supplying quiet, smooth operation. No other mower makes routine maintenance as simple as the Walker. The tilt-up deck lifts in seconds, providing safe and easy access for blade maintenance and deck cleaning. The tilt-open seat gives access to internal components like drive belts, which can be easily removed and replaced in the field without tools. All belts are tensioned by self-adjusting spring-loaded idlers and dampeners, and owners will have peace of mind with a 3-year, 300-hour front-to-back warranty, covering all parts and components against manufacturer defects. The Model R is available in 2 deck size configurations with a cutting width of either 42 or 48 inches. Both belt-driven decks provide smooth, quiet operation and feature custom blade spindles with grease zerks and bleed valves for easy maintenance and long life. Both deck configurations can be fitted with an optional mulching kit that includes bolt-on baffles and serrated mulching blades. An optional side-mounted grass catcher also fits on the Model R, making collection of debris, grass, or leaves quick and easy. The Model R is compatible with the optional Walker Comfort Seat. An optional LED headlight package will ensure that visibility is not an issue, no matter your mowing schedule. And the tow hitch option converts the Model R into a versatile lawn and garden workhorse, providing easy towing for utility wagons. The Model R is the perfect mower for residential properties thanks to its compact size, smooth and quiet operation, exceptional cut quality, and ease of use. Contact your local Walker dealer today to bring home fast, easy, beautiful mowing with the Walker Model R.